Today we are going to crochet this cherry brooch. Here are the materials we will need. Now let's get started. I am using a 2.0 mm crochet hook. First, take the green yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and bring it over to your index finger. Hold the yarn tail in place. Pick up the crochet hook. Yarn over and make one chain stitch. This chain will not count as a stitch. Now we will crochet the leaf. Start by chaining 18 stitches. Place a stitch marker in the very first chain. Continue crocheting the remaining 17 chains. Now we have 18 chains. Turn back to the second chain from the hook. Work one single crochet stitch. Place a stitch marker in the stitch. In the next chain, work one half double crochet stitch. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. Next, work 4 double crochet stitches. For each double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Continue working the remaining 3 double crochet stitches. That makes 4 double crochet stitches in total. Work one half double crochet stitch. Then one single crochet stitch. Then one slip stitch. In the next chain, work one single crochet stitch. Then one half double crochet stitch. Then 4 double crochet stitches. After that, make one half double crochet stitch. Remove the stitch marker. In the last chain, work one single crochet stitch. Chain 1. And in the same chain, make one more single crochet stitch. Now we will work along the other side of the foundation chain. In the first chain, work one half double crochet stitch. Then 4 double crochet stitches. Then one half double crochet stitch. Then one single crochet stitch. And then one slip stitch. Repeat the sequence until the end. In the very last chain, work one single crochet stitch. Pull the loop long, cut the yarn, and remove the stitch marker. Now one leaf is complete. Next, we will crochet the leaf stem. Take the green yarn again. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and bring it over to your index finger. Hold the yarn tail in place, leaving it slightly long. Pick up the hook. Yarn over and chain 1, which will not count as a stitch. For the leaf stem, we will chain 30 stitches. Continue until you have all 30 chains. Pull the loop long and cut the yarn. Now, take the red yarn. Wrap it around your little finger and bring it over to your index finger. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Then chain 1. For the first round, we will make 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. Insert your hook back into the loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is the first single crochet stitch. Place a stitch marker in this stitch. Continue making the remaining 5 single crochet stitches. Now we have 6 single crochet stitches. Find the short yarn tail and pull it tight to close the ring. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Remove the stitch marker and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. For the second round, make 6 single crochet increases. Make the first single crochet. A single crochet increase means working 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Continue working increases in each stitch until you have 6 increases in total. At the end of the round, remove the stitch marker and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. For the third round, we will crochet 1 single crochet stitch and 1 single crochet increase as a set, for a total of 6 sets. Make the first single crochet. Place a stitch marker into the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 2 single crochet stitches. Repeat this pattern around for 5 more sets. At the end of the round, remove the stitch marker and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. For rounds 4 to 6, work 18 single crochet stitches with no increases or decreases. At the beginning of round 4, make the first single crochet. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue working the remaining 17 single crochet stitches. At the end of each round, remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch. And chain 1. Pull the loop long. Take the leaf stem we made earlier. Insert the crochet hook through the center and pull the green yarn through. Tie the green yarn together with the red yarn to secure. Trim the yarn tails slightly. Continue crocheting 2 more rounds. At the end of round 6, remove the stitch marker, join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. For round 7, work 1 single crochet stitch, and then 1 decrease as a set, for a total of 6 sets. In the first stitch, work 1 single crochet stitch and place a stitch marker. Next, make a decrease by working into the front loops only of the next 2 stitches and pulling through all loops. Repeat this for the remaining 5 sets. After the 6th set, pull the loop long. Take some stuffing and fill the cherry. Once filled, remove the stitch marker, join with a slip stitch, and chain 1 stitch. For round 8, work 6 decreases. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue working decreases into the remaining stitches until you have 6 in total. At the end, remove the stitch marker and join with a slip stitch. Pull the loop long. Cut the yarn. Take a yarn needle and weave the yarn through the remaining stitches to close the opening. Bring the needle down through the bottom to hide the yarn tail. Cut the yarn. Now 1 cherry is finished. Repeat the same steps to make another cherry. Now you have 2 cherries. Set them aside. Take the leaf. Thread the yarn needle to weave in the ends and cut the yarn. Take the cherries. Tie them together at the base of a leaf. Now take the brooch pin. Apply glue to the back of the leaf and attach the brooch pin. Let it dry and set. Now your cherry brooch is complete.